Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for our today's vlog, I'm gonna show you how to create a very easy and wearable everyday eye makeup using brown and blue eyeshadow. And I actually ended with this look, so if you wanna know how I created this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so now I'm gonna prime my eyes with some concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shade Primavera. This is actually my Febble palette, and apply that in my crease. So now I'm gonna take this warm brown eyeshadow. This is from my mint chocolate eyeshadow palette from iheart Revolution. Okay, so I'm gonna take this dark brown and apply that only in the outer corner of my eyes. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shimmery blue eyeshadow and apply that in my inner corner to half of my lid, and I'm gonna use my finger. And then I'm gonna take also again this brown shade and use that to connect the blue and the dark brown eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm gonna take again that dark brown eyeshadow and apply that in my lower lash line. And I'm just gonna take again that blue shade and apply that also in my lower lash line. Okay, and then I'm gonna apply some liquid eyeliner, and I'm using this Essence Super Last waterproof eyeliner. Okay, so since I already did my base makeup off cam, so now I'm gonna apply my mascara, and I'm gonna use this Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my mascara na matuyo, I'm just gonna apply my contour and I'm gonna use this contour palette from Shimmy Vogue. And for my blush on, I'll be using this blush on from Maybelline. And then for my highlighter, I'll be using this Essence highlighter in the shade number 10 Hero Week. Okay, so naglagay lang ako ng falsies of gum, and for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this Milani Cosmetics. This is the Amore Satin Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade 07. Okay guys, so ayan, I am done and this is the final look. Alam niyo, natuwa ako dito sa lipstick na ginamit ko today. This is the Amore Satin Matte Lip Cream from Milani Cosmetics. May pagka-nude siya, no? Pero pag sinwatch mo, ayan, ganito yung shade niya, parang dark pink siya. Pero ang ganda ng pagkaka-blend ng shade niya sa aking lips. And alam niyo, na-observe ko sa kanya, hindi siya nakaka-dry ng lips. Madalas kasi guys, usually yung problema ko kapag gumamit ako ng liquid matte lipstick, in a few minutes, sobrang nagdadry na yung aking lips. Pero surprising na ito, parang na-moisturize pa nga niya yung aking lips. So anyways, ayan, that's it for today. And I hope na gusto niyo itong makeup look na create ko. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!